Hi, this is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about gold. And this is a monthly chart going back about 10 years, and we can see that gold has been in a bull market for about 9 years. And this green dotted line is the 20-month moving average. And anytime prices are closing above that line, we're said to be in a bull market. And we had a little brief fall and close below the 20-day moving average here in late 2008 as gold sold off pretty sharply when it broke over 1,000 and came back down here and challenged this previous breakout here in the $700 area. And now, of course, we've rallied back up and are back in to new high ground. And a few weeks ago, gold was in the 1250 area. And we've had some pullbacks here, but holding in the $1,200 range on gold. And looking now at a weekly chart on gold, we can see that gold broke out of this cup with a handle base here at about the 1170 area and ran up to $1,249.30 and then pulled back and challenged that breakout, but we're holding above that. This blue line here is the 10-week moving average, and we're well above that, and we're even well above the 4-week moving average here in red. So gold being acting very strongly here. And gold does have a habit of forming these cup-shaped bases and breaking out and moving higher. Another bullish note about gold is that this black dotted line here is the 200-day moving average, which is major support. And that is over $1,100 an ounce now, approaching $1,125 an ounce. So that's a bullish sign. This green dotted line here is the 100-day moving average, and that is in the 1150 area. And now our 10-week moving average, another important support area here, is approaching about the 1180, 1185 area. So that's all very bullish for gold. And you also notice that the moving averages are stacked up in a bullish manner. And that means that your longer term moving averages are below your shorter term, all in a row here. So your 4-week moving average is above the 10-week, and the 10-week is above the 20-week, and the 20-week is above the 40-week moving average. Another bullish sign is these 2 weeks, you'll see this sort of horizontal line on each of these weekly bars, and they're very close together. That means that gold closed very tightly compared to the previous week together, which is showing that there is support here in this price range. And looking now at some of the gold mining stocks, this is Eldorado Gold, and since the beginning of 2009 this stock has more than doubled and formed a cup-shaped base here with a handle and broke out on some pretty substantial volume here and has been moving into new high ground. So this is a very bullish chart here. And here's Rand Gold Resources, one of my favorite stocks, gold stocks, and this stock has just about doubled since 2009 also, forming a nice cup here, broke out here a few weeks ago on some pretty good volume and grinding higher. Another one of my favorite gold stocks here is IM Gold. Almost tripling since the start of 2009. Big uptrend here, forming a nice cup here. A little bit of a steep handle forming now, but getting solid support here along its 10-week moving average. This stock could go higher. And looking back at a monthly chart of gold, going back about 10 years, you can see that gold here in the late 90s was flatlining in the $250 to $300 zone, and then broke out of this sort of saucer-like formation here at around $300 and has gone up more than 400% off of this. A pretty steady climb here. We've had some pullbacks to challenge some support areas like the 20-month moving average, but have stayed above that average for 99% of the run. We had 1 month here where we closed below it. The rest have been above it. And here we are now going into new high ground. And as governments around the world continue to print more money than they can back up, creating a surplus of paper, gold has been a great alternative and will probably continue much higher. So good luck, everybody.